up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. So let's just get straight to it. In this video, I'm going to be doing a lock style, and it's going to be a lock style I don't think I've ever done before, but I do have some inspiration. Hopefully this time I can redeem myself compared to what happened when it was Valentine's Day. Y'all remember that whole fiasco? Let's not even talk about it. So I'm pretty sure in my last video I had mentioned how I was going to be refraining from using like gel and stuff in my hair for a while because I'm kind of over the product buildup I've been experiencing. But I don't think it's really because of the actual products. I think it's because the amount of product I would use, like when I would do my retwists and everything. So today when I do my retwist, I'm just going to use this little concoction right here. This has organic aloe vera juice, vegetable glycerin, and some carrot oil. And that's only because I've been using this little mixture to keep my hair hydrated until I re-up on my Loclicious Hydration Mist. Because if y'all can hear, it's I feel like three little squeezes and it's out. So I need some more Loclicious products. I'm thinking about doing an updated retwist tutorial because I haven't done one in a while. But in the meantime, I will link below the original retwist tutorial that I have so that you can watch it if you want to know basically how I retwist my hair. It's going to be a half up, half down lock style. And in the back, I am doing some 2-strand twists with the lock knots at the ends. I have 127 locks, which of course is an odd number. So instead of doing a 2-strand twist, I'm doing 5 strands per twist because I don't want the twist to be too small. I want them to be kind of chunky in a sense, or medium. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This way. Twist it down. By the way, y'all, I think I sprayed a little bit too much of my little concoction because my hair is super saturated. Which is not a bad thing, but I just don't want it dripping all over the place right now. So when I get to a certain point, see if y'all can see. So when I get like right here, I'll do one more twist. I take the 2 locks in my left hand and wrap it up. And then I take the remainder locks and wrap it the opposite direction. This is going to create that knot at the bottom. Oop. Get a rubber band to secure. You know what? Now that I think about it, my hair being super saturated is actually working in my favor because my locks are laying down more easily than usual. And so far it's looking like I'm using 2 rubber bands per twist. Okay, and then that's how we looking. So let me finish these twists and then I'll be back. And I have one more twist to go. This twist is going to have 7 locks in it because of the way that I parted my hair for the twist, which is okay because as long as it still has an odd number, I'm okay with that. And these locks are pretty small, So it shouldn't be like that big of a deal as far as the size. But as I was twisting, I was thinking about what I want to do to the front of my hair. And I'm thinking about doing either doing some braids or some kind of like barrel twist in the front and then doing a bang. So let's see what I come up with. The back is complete, y'all. This is how it looks. Does it look okay? Because I ain't look at it yet. Tell me, comment down below. Be honest. This is how the back look with the 2-strand twists and the lock knots at the ends. So now we're moving on to the front. I'm gonna show you all the inspiration for this lock style. This is Nat's Locs. This is how the front looks. So cute. And then this is how the other side looks with a swoop bang. So I am planning on doing that braid on the left side because I do like when my bang falls on the right side. And it looks like I only need to do one braid. I don't need to do any others, especially because of the way that I parted more hair to be in the back than in the front. So let me go ahead and get to doing that braid. And I think I want to do it at an angle. Let's see. Thinking this much should be good for the braid. I love how thick my roots are, y'all. Okay, so this will be for the braid. And then we'll do the rest with the twist and then into the ponytail. Now, the next question is, should I go ahead and section some of the hair off for the ponytail? You know what I mean? Like, should I section this off? I think I should section that part off. The rest will be the twist, and that will go into the ponytail. Hope you all are sticking with me here. So I just been spraying this little concoction, and I don't need too much, just enough. And then adding some oil to the roots. That. So I can make sure that the part is straight enough on this side at least. It's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be nice enough. All right, so let me get to retwisting this side and then doing the braid. Okay, I don't like how the braid is coming out, so I'm just gonna do 2 twists going up. How does that look? Just keep twisting it. And y'all, if anything, I might just end up smoothing out my edges so that it can at least look nice at that point. Now on to the second twist. Can y'all see the twist? Hopefully y'all can see. I give it a B minus. So yeah, just clipping this up to secure it like that. And then now on this side, I'm going to do those same twists with the lock knots at the ends because this is going to be the bang. And some of this is going to go into the ponytail as well. So the rest of my hair is retwisted. And I think I'll do 3 locks per twist in the front so that it can look nice and full. y'all. So y'all see what I'm doing? I'm basically securing the twists down so that they don't be falling all over the place and stuff. Trying to secure it as much as I can. Now, initially what I want to do is join this up into a ponytail, but y'all, I'm gonna be real with you. I think I might have to add some of the twists from the back so that my ponytail can be a little bit more full. Now, we'll take the rest of these loose locks and we're gonna wrap it around the ponytail like this. Does that look right? I kind of wish my ponytail was a little bit more full, but that's okay. So we'll use that. So it can really be secure. How does this look, y'all? How is it looking? What y'all think? My camera is gonna die, so let me just go ahead and close out this vlog now. I'll make sure I insert a picture so y'all can see, oh my god, how it came out. And it's not this I just poked myself. Okay, this part is not looking good, so I'll insert a picture, ow, and let y'all know how it came out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I promise this isn't going to be a flop, but turn on post notifications and make sure that you're following me on all social media platforms. I appreciate your support and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.